In this particular segment, we will discuss about the type of solar plants on the basis of fuel they use. We all know that sun is the source of fuel for the solar plants. Sun as a resource gives us two components. The first component is light and the second component is heat. Solar plants utilize both types of components. On the basis of type of component, light or heat used by the solar plants, they are classified into two types. Type A is called solar PV system or solar photovoltaic plant also. Type B is called solar thermal system. Now let us see one by one what is solar PV system and what is solar thermal system. In this pic, you are seeing a solar PV system. Solar PV systems use light component from the sun to produce the electricity. Panels produce voltage when light strikes at them. This kind of technology is called photovoltaic technology since it uses the light to convert into the voltage. Second type of system in which the heat component of the sun is utilized is shown here. Through the heat, the temperature of the water is increased, which makes the water hot. Now this hot water can be used for the different application. Since this kind of system uses heat as a medium, they are called solar thermal system.